In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add an additional fuse block to an existing electrical system. In this scenario, a Blue Sea Systems safety hub is already installed and serving as the primary fuse block. In this case, you want to add an accessory such as an auxiliary light, horn, or other switch device, but there are no open circuits available. To expand the system, an additional fuse block is installed, and a suitable mounting location is selected near the existing safety hub to keep wiring runs short and organized. Before making any connections, remove the existing fuse to ensure the circuit is safe and not powered while installing the new block. As an extra safety precaution, disconnect the battery cables from the power source. Next, power is supplied to the new fuse block. Begin by removing one of the wires from the current block, then add an additional wire to that same terminal to supply power to the new fuse block. Make sure the connection is secure so power is transferred consistently to both wires. Now attach the other end of that wire to the auxiliary fuse block. Once the connection is complete, ensure that the fuse in the main block is replaced with the appropriate amperage for your application. This ensures the new fuse block is properly protected. The new accessory is then wired to the added fuse block, with the load connected to a fused output and the switch wired according to the application. A ground connection is made to the vehicle's common ground point or grounding bus. Once installed, the new fuse block provides a clean, protected power source for the added accessory and leaves room for future circuits as well. This method allows the system to grow without modifying or replacing the original fuse block, keeping the installation safe, organized, and serviceable. For high-quality wiring products and expert resources, visit delcity.net, your one-stop shop for electrical solutions.